Welcome. Standard 4th. Subject Computer. Lesson number 8. Parts of the file window. Part 2. Students, in the previous lecture, we have studied about what is a window. A box that opens on the desktop when you double click on any file, folder or program that opens is called a file window. We have also learned about the steps to open a window. First, double click on the PC icon on the desktop, a window opens. Or click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. If we click on the File Explorer icon, this File Explorer window will open, students. We have also studied about parts of a window. So, in the previous lecture, we have learned about title bar and control buttons. Today, we will study further. Menu bar. You can see the menu bar, students. C is written, it is the menu bar. It displays the different menus available for quick operations. Menu options are displayed on the ribbon below it. You can expand or minimize the ribbon. One more C is there. You can see it is for backward and forward buttons. It helps you to navigate between the previous and the next screen. Next is E. E is the address bar. It displays the path of the file or folder you have opened. Now F. You can see F, students? Right. It is the search box. In search box, we can search a particular file or folder on the disk. Files and folders containing search text will be displayed. G. It is the navigation pane. It is the main control center used to access different files and folders. It contains sections like Quick Access, OneDrive, Libraries, This PC and Network. H. H is the file folder list. The names and types of files which are stored in the folder are displayed as per the type selected in the file text. We can see this file list, right? Whichever we select, it is been displayed. I is the column headings. You can arrange the displayed list of files and folders alphabetically by clicking on the small arrows. See, arrow is there. One arrow is towards upward and one arrow is towards downward on the right side of the name heading. J. J is the preview pane. It displays the content of the selected file. K. K is the details pane. It shows the details of number of items in the list. Number of items are selected and file size of the selected folder. L. L1, it displays the file folders in a list format. You can see it on the screen, students. And L2, it displays the file folders in a large thumbnails. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.